Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix screen burn in on OLED displays. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Screen burn in or image retention on OLED displays occurs when a static image is displayed for extended periods, causing faint ghost images to remain on the screen, while burn-in can sometimes be permanent. There are steps you can take to reduce or fix it. So the first thing that you need to do is use built-in tools. Many OLED devices include features designed to address or prevent burn-in. Pixel refresh: check your device settings for a pixel refresh or panel refresh option. This adjusts the pixels to reduce retention. Some devices slightly move screen image over time to prevent static content from burning in. Enable this option if available to avoid static elements like navigation bars causing burn-in. Number second is to play a burn-in fixture video. Use a burn-in fixture app or YouTube video with moving colors and patterns. These simulate the pixels and can help reduce burn-in. Run the video for 30 minutes to several hours depending on the severity. Number third is to enable dark mode. Switch your device to dark mode to reduce stress on pixels and minimize visible burn-in, especially if the burn-in affects brighter areas like navigation bars. Number four is to lower brightness. Reduce the screen brightness to prevent worsening the issue. Use adaptive brightness settings if your device supports it. So these are a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.